issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glendale Heights, Winfield, Addison, Carroll Stream, North Aurora, Geneva, Lisle, Aurora, Oak Brook Terrace, Wheaton, York Center, West Chicago, Bentonville, Warrenville, Elmhurst, Montgomery, Oak Brook, Lombard, Hanover Park, Villa Park, DuPage Airport, Glen Ellen, Medina, Batavia, and St. Charles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.